Hello, Mr. Tango here. This is the new concept in Scotch and soda routines. You can perform all the classical Scotch and soda routines, but now you don't have to set up nothing. You don't shake anymore the chips or the coin. You just show the elements like this, and one of the chips travel. No more shake the hands. Let me show another routine. For example, with the bill. One chip there, and the other one, and now one of these travel through the bill. The new concept in the super Scotch and soda routines.